There's a difference between fixing your credit and rebuilding it. Most people treat them like the same thing. They're not. Fixing means something specific went wrong, a missed payment, a report error, a collection that shouldn't be there. Find the problem, fix it, watch the score respond. Rebuilding is different. You're starting from a lower base, high utilization, thin history, a pattern of late payments. There's no single thing to target. It takes consistent positive history over time. If you're in rebuild mode, here's what that looks like. 1. Pay weekly instead of monthly. Smaller payments keep your balance lower all month and make on-time payments easier to hit. 2. Get balances below 30% of your limit, and keep old accounts open even once they're paid off. Closing them hurts your utilization. 3. Limit new credit applications, use what you have responsibly, and check your reports yearly for errors. 4. Over time, having a mix of credit types helps. Credit cards and something like an auto loan or personal loan, not just one or the other. Having more than one type of credit shows lenders you can handle different kinds of payments, and that you're willing to follow through on them. Just don't take on new debt only to create a mix. Let it happen naturally as your needs come up. 5. If it feels like too much to manage alone, that's exactly what I'm here for. Call or text me, Matt Walsh, 561-886-8456, and we'll talk through your specific situation. Know which one you're in, fix or rebuild, and the path forward gets a lot clearer. Matt Walsh, MLO NMLS number 1704293, Orca Home Loans, Company NMLS number 1901849, branch number 4915. Illustrated Properties Re LIC number 338489.